The so-called triple-demic being felt across this country, RSV, flu, and COVID, straining hospitals everywhere. And while RSV appears to have stabilized in some parts of the country, overall, flu and COVID are on the rise just before the holidays. Look at the map tonight. Flu-like activity now in 43 states, nearly the whole country. The red states there with significant levels of flu, and the darker red, those are ones with very high levels of flu. Tonight, concerns growing about the shortage of medicines in some parts of the country, particularly when it comes to treating children. So tonight here, pharmacists on what parents can do. Here's ABC's Ariel Resha for us.
Tonight, some hospitals facing a crush of patients with respiratory viruses are running out of room.
Pancreatitis, head injury, anemia, these are admitted. They're admitted. They're waiting for a bed upstairs.
80% of hospital beds are full, a level not seen since the peak of Omicron, and many patients are waiting hours.
It's very difficult because you can see that they're suffering.
This map says it all, showing high flu-like activity in nearly every state, 13 million illnesses so far this season, and COVID is right behind it. Almost 500,000 new infections in the last week. Hospitalizations and deaths going up too. With holiday gatherings kicking into high gear, White House officials today urging Americans to get vaccinated.
Don't wait. If you wait, you put yourself at risk.
And that trifecta of flu, COVID, and RSV fueling a surge in demand for medications. Stores in some areas running out of over-the-counter pain and cold remedies. And pharmacies facing a shortage of some prescription drugs like amoxicillin.
The way we're addressing, namely the amoxicillin shortage, is to take capsules and transforming them into a liquid.
Zayla Schott got COVID and a double ear infection. Her mom had to call around to 18 pharmacies to find one that had her amoxicillin.
Nobody was really giving me a suggestion as to what to do. I actually called my mom crying a little bit. I was like, I don't know what to do, Mom. I'm freaking out. I can't find this medicine.
Yeah, really frustrating for parents across the country. Ariel, I know some pharmacists offering some practical guidance for families running into these shortages.
They are, David. Pharmacists are recommending you can call your doctor back and ask if there are other options. For example, if you get an amoxicillin prescription, there may be a chewable or a liquid formula, or you could potentially get another medication altogether. And of course, you can ask your doctor for guidance while you're still in the office.
Yeah,
David.
Some doctors will call the pharmacies themselves just to check for you. Ariel, thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.